Hi, my name is Joanna Alvarado. I'm a junior public relations major, and these are my 5 favorite things about Carthage College. My first favorite thing about Carthage is the faculty and staff. I felt very welcome when I first came for Fireburn launch, and I felt very supported throughout my whole journey here at Carthage, especially by my advisor, Dr. Colleen Palmer. I was undecided when I first came in, and she really helped me find my passion for public relations and why I'm still a public relations major today. My second favorite thing about Carthage is all the on-campus job opportunities. On campus, I am a residential assistant and I work for the Visual and Performing Arts Department, and they're very accommodating to my schedule, especially during the busiest times of the semester. Everyone is very flexible and understanding that you are a student first and have other commitments outside of the job. My third favorite thing about Carthage is the small class sizes. It really gives students an opportunity to connect with the professors on a personal level. I've connected with so many of my previous professors that I still use them as resources here on campus. My fourth favorite thing about Carthage are the clubs and activities. Coming in my freshman year, I really didn't know anybody, but after joining a few clubs here at Carthage, I met some amazing people I wouldn't have met otherwise. My fifth favorite thing about Carthage is the location between Milwaukee and Chicago. Both cities provide great internship opportunities for college students. There are a lot of great resources here at Carthage that can help you find these internships and prepare you for your future careers.